This is a follow-up to my last podcast, Can't Do It. One solid reason for reviewing bids not for the lowest bidder, but for the best and brightest of the true restoration contractors bidding your next project is that they are in true harmony with ConSpec SIP versus ROAR concept, which not only provides manufacturers with new means and methods for their existing restoration materials, but also provide true insight for the design professional into potential alternative means of stabilization and or strengthening to stabilize in place, which in turn is more sympathetic to the structure and at a reduced cost and time cycle to the owner. I have been fortunate to work with many of these restoration professionals, and none of them deserve to be relegated to being the low bidder. New construction demands working with the low bidder. However, the best restoration project deserves a thorough review of all of the bids and serious consideration to select the best and brightest restoration contractor. As a specifier or owner, you owe this consideration to your next restoration project. Thanks.